Hello guys, welcome to Cabello and welcome to a bit of a different video this time. Today I'm going to talk to you about, as you probably saw in the title already, Minox foam and why I switched to it. And I didn't tell you guys anything, but I'm telling you now. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So yeah, the main reason I switched was because of side effects. As most people switch because of this reason. But I'm trying to do something different, trying to experiment a little. Since I didn't want to throw away all my minoxidil, I still have like 4 months left of liquid. So I didn't want to just throw it all away and like buy more minoxidil foam and spend all that money. So basically I just, I've been using this during the day, the foam during the day, and then the liquid at night. So what side effects was I feeling, you might ask? So it started very mild, I will say. It was mostly headaches, was pretty big. Then also the dryness, of course. But then at the end, and this is what kind of like made me decide to switch and take that decision more. It was heart palpitations. I think that's what you call it, or like I would feel like my heart like beating faster or something. Like I could feel it like on my chest. It is a weird sensation if you haven't experienced it. But yeah, basically, that's what kind of pushed me to switch into foam. Now, I'm using the Up and Up brand from Target, and it's pretty cheap. It's not bad. I think I pay like I don't know, $25 I think for 3 months of foam. I think that's not terrible. And yeah, I've been doing this for a month, and as you can see, I still feel like I'm getting gains. As I showed you on my previous video last week, I'm still getting progress, and my side effects are basically gone, I have to say. I haven't felt heart palpitations anymore. I haven't felt those weird headaches anymore. And listen, even if it's a placebo or not, I don't know, but like it's working, and that's what I kind of like care about. Health is more important than growing a beard. And even then, people have this misconception of foam. They think that I don't know why, but like foam, you can't grow a beard as fast, or like you don't get as many gains with foam. And that's totally not true. I mean, you can go into the Minoxidil group on Facebook, and you can see there are a lot of people grew their beards with crazy gains, and sometimes like very fast as well. And they use foam the whole way, and foam 5% twice a day. So I mean, I'm not really worried about that. And as I told you, it's been working so far. So yeah, basically, I just wanted to update you with that and give you a little more information about foam. And if you were thinking of switching or anything like that, something else about foam is, this is why people usually say the whole thing that you get less gains, is because foam doesn't have, I believe, alcohol in it. I think it's called propylene glycol is the actual name. Which liquid does. So what propylene glycol does is like make it easier for the minoxidil to basically transfer into your face. It's like a carrier is what they call it. Foam doesn't have it. Honestly, I've seen a lot of people, for example, Adam from the beard solution, he's used foam before. I think he used foam most of the way. I can't remember right now, but his beard is great. I really like his beard. And he got what he wanted with the foam, and less side effects, less dryness in your face, and So if you're thinking of switching, you're a little maybe discouraged by the side effects, I would totally recommend that you use foam. It's been great. I have to say, it's been great. Also in the mornings, I put it in the mornings. My face is not like wet like it usually was with the liquid, so that's another great thing about it. And yeah, I just wanted to fill you up with that, update you on my journey. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. I will see you probably next week. I have another video plan for next week. So make sure you subscribe so you can see what that's about. But yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.